Separate 10, runway 5, click the option.
Click the option, runway 5, step 13. I don't know what it is about this airplane, but I lost that left brake again.
Separate 10, roger. Separate 10, crash on the way.
Yeah, everything's good here. I just need to collect myself here.
Separate 10, roger.
Albany ground, safety vehicles 7, 9, or 8. Request permission to runway 5. It appears to be around the taxiway Bravo.
Take you 798, proceed as requested. Proceed on to runway 523 via Charlie.
Roger, on the ground, safety vehicle 7, 9, or 8. Proceed as requested on to runway 5.
Hang on. Ground off 1. Just mission proceed on runway 5.
ARFF 1%, runway 5, present position.
Off will receive.
48, Albany ground.
98, make contact with AFD for communication.
Airport 8, proceed on to runway 523 via Charlie.
ARFF 1, 798, Albany posting up right beside you, Albany ground. If you can go ahead, we're going to be closing down runway 523.
Safety 798, roger.
ARFF 1, give me a view. I'm going to go and check on the passenger.